Hello everyone, this is CS5593 application execution demo. My name is Yidi Shen, and here is the bank campaign prediction system application of my final project. Basically, there are two main functionality. First is to reveal the characteristic of the clients who are most likely to buy the product. Second is to show the prediction result. To use this application, you have to choose what kind of task you want to perform at first. At this part, feature selection is corresponding to the clustering task, and the result prediction is corresponding to the classification task. Let's say you choose feature selection. Then you have to choose some variables from this panel and input some value for the cluster you want. Let's say we choose duration, campaign, and age, and choose some category attributes like marital status, loan, and the outcome of previous campaign, and input the cluster we want, 3, and click on query. So from the right panel, you can see the clustering result. This part is the central rate of each cluster. It can show other information about the which kind of person have the biggest percentage of successful subscription from here. Because we choose marital status, loan, and outcome, you can see the percentage each kind of person they have. So when you use this application, you can find the characteristic you want to target in the future. Let's say we can target the person doesn't have the loan. We can target the person previous outcome is unknown, to have a better customer selection. Also, you can have the option to see the bar plots of the some attributes like job, marital status. Basically, they are just category attributes versus the outcome of the subscription, yes or no. Let's say we choose job and we click on stack and query. So we have the bar plot of the job with different attribute values. You can also make them the bar stand side by side like this. So there are also an option for data description. So from this part, you can see what are these attributes about. Like job have the job, type of job. They have admin, blue collar, housemaid, and etc. And if you want to see the prediction result, you just click here, and in this section, you have to choose the information from the left panel. They're just a checkbox. You can choose whatever you want. Let's say we already have a client, and he is already married, and with no education background, doesn't have housing loan, doesn't have personal loan, doesn't have credit, and the contact type is telephone, and we type in for select. His age 40, let's see, and the balance of the year 360, let's see. And the duration is 303. Okay, and the campaign is 4. And the paydays is 27, and the job is blue collar. For this area, you have to choose the variables we have defined before. So you can go back to the data description part, see what kind of job they have, and type in one job. Let's say for this customer, his job is blue collar, and after typing and choose all the variables, we click on query, and we can see the prediction details from the right panel. You can see all the information you have just chosen, and the predict probabilities. The probability of no is 91.8%, and the probability of yes is 8.1%, and the predicted class is no. Basically, this client will not going to subscribe the deposit. So it's pretty easy to use, and it's much more direct than you just put some information in the RStudio. Also from this panel, you can see there are model information and the decision tree structure. So you can see the model information and what is decision tree like, and you can also see the ROC curve and the model performance. Here is the confusion matrix and the accuracy of the model. So, and the sensitive specificity. Yes, it's pretty much what the application about. Thank you.